Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be safe and sound. Here we are going to study about our subject of social studies from class 2. Today our unit is unit number 4, buildings. This is from lesson number 6, building houses. Okay, here is the definition of a house. A house is a place where a family can live together. A place where all the family members live together. Importance of a house. What is the importance of a house? A house is a place where people can keep their things safely. If you put your things out of your house, can you think that your things will be stay safe at outside of your house? No, they will not be safe. So we can only keep our things safe in our house. Next is the difference between building or house. Here on one side there are buildings and on the other side there is house. So what are buildings? A structure with a roof and walls, such as a house or factory. A place where different houses are together or are at one place, like a factory. Okay? They are called buildings. And what are house? A house is a place where a family member can live together. Where the family, only one family live in a house, or a joint family system like in our country. So they live at one place, so that is called a house. Next is the material that we use to build or construct a building. Some building materials. Here they have given us a building material जो कि एक बिल्डिंग को तामीर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. वो कौन सा मटेरियल है? सीमेंट, स्टोन, स्टील. The first one is cement, the second one is stone, and the third one is steel. So on, the fourth one is bricks, clay, and the last one is wood. These all are the materials that we use to construct a building. The next point is kinds of builders. There are different kinds of builders which we have given you here, that about stepwise what are their roles we will discuss here. The first one is an architect. An architect is a person that make a map before building up a house or constructing a building. Before constructing a building, they draw a map that on which a building or a house is based. The second one are the laborers. A laborer is a person who plays the basic role in the construction of a building, and without laborer we are unable to live in a house. The third one is a plumber. What's a role of a plumber? A plumber is a person or a man who fits the pipes for the sewerage system in our house or in the buildings. So plumber plays also a very important role in the construction of a building. The fourth one is an electrician. An electrician is a person who supplies electricity in our house, who provides electricity on which our different home appliances works. The fifth one is a painter. A painter is a person who paints our walls, who gives different and beautiful designs on our walls, so our house or a building looks very beautiful. The sixth one is a plasterer. A plasterer is a person who plasters or who gives equal level to the walls or to the floors and roofs of our house. The seventh one and the last is a carpenter. A carpenter is a person who makes wardrobes, doors and windows and makes different beautiful or designable things in our houses, which gives a special and different shape to our house or a building. The next one is a point of building tools. Here are some tools which are used for the construction of building and a house, and without these tools all the builders are unable to work properly. The first one is a hammer, second one is plumb line, the third one is chisel, the fourth one is saw, the fifth one is pliers, the sixth one is drill, the seventh one is file, and the eighth one, the last one, is spanner. These are all the building tools that we use during the construction of a building. Yes, here is our last point of safety rules. Before doing every work or before doing a special work, every work has some safety rules, and we should follow those safety rules for ourselves, because the safety rules keep us safe and sound. The first rule is tools are useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them badly. As the tools are useful for their works, but if we use them badly, they can hurt us. The second point is take care of them. We should keep them carefully. We should keep ourselves careful or safe so that we are able to work properly. The last point is use them only for the jobs they were made of. Each and every tool or each and everything has special purpose, has special work, and they can only be used for their work. We can't use different things for the other works. So each and every job has some different things that are used in that job. So that's why we have to use the tools in that job for which they are required. Hope you all will understand. Thank you so much. Stay safe.